We have a word problem today, and we're going to look at the word problem. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to read the word problem. So I'd like you to read that quietly as I'm reading it out loud. There were 176 students in the fifth grade at Happy Elementary School. Each student had to pay $32 for field trip fees. How much money was collected for field trips? So the very first thing I would like us to do is once we read a word problem is circle the numbers involved. So we're going to circle 176 because that's involved with students. We're not going to circle the fifth because that's fifth grade. That's not a number that we need to know for this problem. And we're going to circle the 32, which is talking about money. So 32. So once we've done that, then we're going to go back and we're going to look for some key words. I always like to think of it like how you did when you were in the younger grades as part, whole. All models could be like that. So this first top part is a total. So if we know the total, then we're going to fill it in there. If we do not know the total, then we're obviously going to leave it blank. So let's go back and look and see what the question's actually asking. How much money was collected for field trips? We don't have the total amount of money. So that's really what they're asking us. So we don't know the total. But we do know the parts that will help us get the total. And some of the parts is the 176, and then we know the part of $32. So when we see this, then we can think of this as part, whole. Now, to help us with the math problem, we go back and we look for a key word. The key word, and I'm going to change my color here to green. The key word each is a key indicator for either multiplication or division. When it's set up like this type of a model, though, where we don't know the total, then we know that we're either adding the total or we're multiplying the total. And again, with that keyword each, we know that we are going to multiply. So we would take 176 and multiply it times 32. That should give us our total answer. Thank you. I want you to finish the rest of it on your own.